it's a good morning. That's because while I get ready for work, I know my CPAP equipment is being cleaned and sanitized by NuWave. Now I'm killing germs and disinfecting more than just my mask. Sleep is so important to me and my family, and trying to clean our CPAP equipment just took too much time, and we just weren't getting it totally clean or sanitized. Ugh. That's when I found the NuWave CPAP Sanitizer. It cleans and disinfects all of my CPAP equipment and kills 99.9% of bacteria. And it's available in 2 convenient sizes, NuWave and NuWave Plus. It's so easy to use. Let me show you how. NuWave sanitizes, cleans, and disinfects in just 3 easy steps. First, connect your CPAP tube to the NuWave generator, then to the exterior side fitting of the NuWave chamber. If you use a face mask with a nasal tube connector, you can also connect that tube to the interior side fitting. Next, place your CPAP mask and headgear into NuWave. If you are using NuWave Plus, then place your empty water chamber inside along with your headgear and mask. Then fully zip up NuWave. And lastly, start the sanitizing process by pressing the on button for 2 seconds. It's that easy. It only takes 2 hours for NuWave to thoroughly clean and disinfect all of my CPAP equipment. Now when I get home each day, I know my CPAP is clean and ready to use for another good night's rest. For more information about NuWave, including the operation manual and quick start guide, go to NuWaveCPAP.com.